Hi everybody, hello and welcome back to another video on Blue Bob's Tech. Quickly, before we start, the last video I did, you will know that, the last video I did, you might have seen in the comments, wait no, this is the wrong one, sorry. You might have seen in the comments, that I put, shout out to Mining Mine. Yep, he is right here he said to me on Discord, Blue Bob, could you do a top 10 on best Android games? And so that's what I did in the last video. Actually, no. Anyway, back into this video. So we're gonna look at some mods and stuff you can do on your Android phone. So first of all, I've got this app here. It's you can see loads of widgets on the screen. So, and yes, I've got 7% left of battery. This is actually called widgets, yeah. I don't think you'll find it if you search for widgets, though. I'll put on screen what you'll probably want to search for. But anyway, this app, you can see the processor, the CPU, the RAM, and battery. All very useful. The widget at the bottom is actually on there. Yeah, that's device maintenance. You can get that if you have a Samsung phone, but only for Samsung. So, and then also you have Inware. This tells you loads of stuff about your phone, and I really like it. So it tells you I've now got Android 8.0 Oreo, and it was released with 7.0 Nougat. And now that's not just rounding it oh, you actually had 7.01, but we're just going to say 7.0. Yeah, it is actually exact. You can change the colours. It's got a light theme or a dark theme. It's got all this stuff: fingerprint, device, hardware, memory, camera, network connectivity, battery. And also, you can change what the background colour is on the dark theme. I like a nice black though. I think that's cool. And then my device, which is kind of the same. It has most of the same stuff. Sorry, I accidentally turned the torch on. Yeah, how I did that, we'll get onto another one. But I mainly use this for sensors, and yeah, I've got a terrible phone which has no sensors on it. I know, it's annoying. I don't really know what this is. No idea. Proximity, sensory thingy. Wait, what? That was made by Sharp. Look, the vent. Wait, Sharp made this thing? Sharp made it? If you look, Samsung made everything else. No, I don't want to share it. When did I say share? When did I say share? Go back. Get off it. Don't want to share. Other screen orientation, obviously. Yeah, you can turn the screen. Yeah, on my other channel, last time I used a screen recorder and turned the screen, that didn't work well. Stupid advert, go away, I don't want it. So next app is MacroDroid. This is how I did the torch. You can't tell this, but I don't know if you'll be able to hear the, 5%. No. You might be able to hear the vibrate, but if I shake my phone, the torch comes on. If I shake it again, it goes back off. And that's from the torch one. So you shake the device, the torch will do that, but I've had it so the screen has to be on because it's been in my pocket. I take my phone out of my pocket. Why is my torch on? Because I've accidentally turned it on using this. Also, when I connect to my home network, it'll do this. It'll change the volume. So it's I don't want the volume to be on, but when I get back home, I want it to be on, so it'll, yeah. And then the media play pause for Spotify and YouTube. If I wave my hand over my screen, that's why I've called it Music Wave, it will turn that on. And then the battery warning, so when it gets to 50, 25 and 15, it will give me a little pop-up warning. And then, this is really funny. So, I'll put the volume up actually. I found this on the internet. So, when you put the pin in, if you do the wrong pin, it'll take a picture of you, which will obviously share it Well, it'll like sync it over the Samsung Gallery and Google Photos and play. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but basically it'll say nope. It'll be like nope, and it'll record in the microphone for 2 minutes and also say stop thief. On the bottom of the screen it will like pop up like stop thief, and then it doesn't have to have any special stuff for that. And one I didn't think of adding, but I am actually going to add, is shortcutter. For the sidebar. So this thing, please. This bit here. You can see, yeah, I've got more stuff about my device. I'm pretty obsessed with this. So it's got storage, RAM, and something. I can have a stopwatch, a screen recorder. That's what I'm using right now, just saying. Also, it's got a random die, a floating calculator. Look at this. 24. Where's times? Oh, right, I guess you use that. 24 equals that. There you go. I'll just turn that off. And then, so I've got if you go here, you can see I've got Shortcutter Premium. So I can change like the colours. I think you need Premium for this, I do believe. So I've got like a black and blue. Yeah, I think that's, you can see other stuff on here. Links to all these apps will be down in the description. I was about to shake the phone, yeah. Don't want my light to come on. I don't want my torch to come on. Flashlight. Whatever you call it. If you're American, you call it a flashlight. Yeah, so these are all this stuff. Yeah, and like I said, if you want to be featured in a video, hopefully the one it's actually supposed to be in. Yeah, that would be better. If it's the actual one it's supposed to be in. Go ahead, join my Discord. Link will be in the description, probably. If not, try and find my Google Plus page. That's easy. Just search in like Blue Bob's Tech into Google Plus, or just the internet, like Google Plus, and then whatever. Anyway, and then there should be a link on my community, Blue Bob Tech Fans, which you can find from my profile or search for it. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!